Welcome to another Google Maps tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to drop a pin in Google Maps. If you're trying to select a specific location that doesn't have an exact address, or you want to navigate to a very precise spot, dropping a pin is the easiest way to do it. I'll also show you how to save and share that pinned location for later use. The best part is that this works the same way on both iPhone and Android devices. First, open the Google Maps app and find the area where you want to drop the pin. You can zoom in and move around the map until you locate the exact spot. Once you've found it, simply tap and hold, or long press, on that specific location on the map. After a second, you'll see a red pin appear. That means you've successfully dropped a pin. Once the pin is placed, several options will appear at the bottom of the screen. You can tap directions to start navigating to that exact location. If you'd like to keep the location for later, tap Save and add it to one of your lists, such as Favorites or Want to Go. This is especially helpful if you're planning a trip and want to organize multiple locations. If you want to share the pinned location with someone, tap Share. From there, you can send it through text message, email, or even post it on social media. You can also tap Label to give the location a custom name, such as Home, Work, School, or any name you prefer. After adding a label, it will appear on your map for easy reference in the future. If you ever want to remove the label, simply select it again, tap Edit Label, and choose Remove. And that's it. That's how you drop a pin in Google Maps on both iPhone and Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.